Ka Lympung I Kynduh jengki kun Samla ka ba Sngi bala perlong ka office district sport officer Bhoi district ha district library hall nongpo ya ka bala tep kum ka district level youth exchange program ka balai kala poi no sya bukut menta ka Sngi ya ka te ka Lympung I Kynduh lang jengki kun Samla ka tem Bhoi lawan man panhap perdana daw MLA ka nongpo constituency ba Merul Pons im kum kongsan ha ka jinon lang ba Bobby L Nongbet district sport officer ka Bhoi district lambat kiwi ki nong tre jok tanat sport Hagan yang kesini kado lah yuk penpelong ke jingkop pen inya lor kapang per kabla tip kum ke discrimination contest ke jingkop jingken tip dan ke quiz competition ya kabla sementara ke kun Samla ki blog bat ke college per jong ke temri Bhoi Hagan yang kesini lah yuk ro penpelong ke jingkop pen iya ke jingsna jong ke jok start sayan kabla tip kum ke science mela hakabal awan ben sementara ke school ke banapok ke temri Bhoi Hakabay ka nam ningkong la yuk ra ka Saint Paul Higher Secondary School hak kerdan group bat ka kerdan solo la ra ka Saint Mary Secondary School nongkra nagaliang ka office district sport officer kila yuk ro ban sami ki kusnam bat ki sernat syabaro ki nong job bat ka Jacob Shatan Rai group la ra ka Bhoi Rembong block solo la job ka Samla pi balari shisha khar solang hak ka Jacob Ruwaitun Rai group la job ka Bhoi Rembong block solo ka Samla I Insara Makrina Umling block Haka Jacob Drojing Drol job da Mekilson walang jirang block story writing Ferlan walang na jirang block discrimination contest la job da Iban Kit Bok Melim ngap na Balawan College but aka Jacob quiz la job da ka Bhoi Rembong block but aka poetry writing la job da Tehila Praise G Moment na Bhoi Senat College but aka Jacob pen isap la yo ban ra da ka Samla Jonita Klein na Bhoi College nagaliang ka office DSO Bhoi kila pen tip ro Pana preng ki Samla ke bla poi syakane ka Lympung ka ba Sngi kin sajit ya barok kinong job ka jingko ba per bar kumju ik Samla ki smart busting penlet pat syaka state level youth exchange program ka ban salong shan hanong ba shlong
So from this program, we get a lot of opportunity. We get a platform to showcase our talents, to showcase our skills, our ability. And from this program, I think we should organize like this program like every year because the youth of this state needs like this program so that they can go for a further competition like in state levels, national levels, and so on. So we are so grateful to be the youth from this, from this Bhoi, that we get a lot of opportunity because it uplifts us as individuals. It gives us opportunities like it's not that we need only education, but we also need like creativity, like skills. So like this competition, like this events help us the youth, and that's also.
So last year also I was attending this program. It very helpful for me. And because of this program also, it little bit changed my life. At the beginning, my life, I don't know anything how to do, how to perform, how to stand on the stage. But because of this youth exchange program, it also helped me to a creative person, to confidence, to come forward, to speak to myself and to introduce. And because of this program also, I have been selected also to the national youth exposure, and now the next exposure to international. So I'm so grateful to thanks for the direct sport office.
It is a usual thing that we felt bored for a long speech. Yes or no? Boring and boring. So that's why let us make it to an interactive session. It's not only me who will speak now, but I would like to hear also share your views and opinion, experiences. That is the motive of a youth exchange program. I'm not here today, don't take me as chief guest, even though I have been regarded as chief guest today, but take me as your friend, as your mentor or as your elder brother who are present here this afternoon. I would like to share about experiences that I have been through in the past. Samla, Sngi, I'm not sure. Now, Sngi, she has shared an experience about before she don't have the confidence to speak. More cute, cute. I've been through this kind of experience before. When I was not in school, in college. Can you imagine? When I was in college in St. Edmunds, when we during college week, I was shivering like anything on the stage where I could not be able to speak because I'm not used to